Welcome to Aryson Technologies. In today's video, we'll show you how to export Google Workspace emails to CSV quickly and securely. Whether you want to use your email data in Excel, Google Sheets, CRM platforms, or for reporting, this guide will help you choose the best method. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and run the Aryson Google Workspace Backup tool as per your OS. Step 2. Select the mailbox migration card from the software panel. Step 3. After that, log in to the source account via modern OAuth 2.0, IMAP, or Workspace DWD. Step 4. Select the required mailboxes/users that you want to migrate. Step 5. Furthermore, select the labels/folders to export to CSV format. Step 6. Next, select CSV as the output format. Modify the built-in filters. Step 7. At last, click on the Start Migration button to begin the conversion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Aryson Technologies for more email migration and backup tutorials.